What's up, guys? I'm just going to go over this project I'm going to have you start working on. This is a project that's going to allow you to be creative. So essentially what you're going to be doing is you're going to be drawing a unit circle, but kind of like on a poster board or using a different technique if you'd like. But it's going to be a display. Okay, so whatever you choose, whether you want to just draw it on paper or you want to do it on a poster board or whatever, it just needs to be very, very neat, very, make it legible, make it somewhat creative, multiple colors just to make it look nice. The criteria for the unit circle is that you need to have the angle measures listed at all the key points. So all 16 of those values that are in a traditional unit circle, have them all listed both in degrees and radians, and then also write the tangent values at each of those key points as well. You have to do this by hand. You cannot make it a digital unit circle because there's no way for me to verify authenticity if it is a digital document. You can earn bonus points on this assignment by making your creation more elaborate. And so what that means is just not drawing just something on a piece of paper. I've had students do string art, wood, 3D sculptures, watercolor paintings, etc. So you can kind of go wherever you want to with that. But if you're not sure whether your idea is elaborate enough or not, you can just contact me and I'll let you know. So this assignment is going to be due January 22nd. If we are still remote at that time, I'll have you upload a photo of your work and turn it in via Google Classroom, and those details are outlined here. If we are back in person, you will turn it in person. If you're a full remote student, then you're going to follow these guidelines here. Here's a little rubric for what I'm looking for and how it will be graded. Pretty short and sweet. And then down here, I have some examples of what students have turned in the past. So these three pictures here are what I would consider like an easy-ish project. This would be being creative, however, not going real crazy, because this is just a small poster board. This one was on paper, even though it does look really nice, it's just on paper. And then this one was also on a small poster board, but not a lot of color creativity going on there. Down here are some examples of elaborate projects that you could earn bonus points with. So this one, a student glued crayons on and then used a hairdryer to melt them a little bit and make this splatter effect. I thought that was really cool. All the required information is still here. And here's a string art that someone did a few years back. This has additional circles that you don't need to do. The one in the middle is the required thing. And then there's this one from last year, a watercolor in the middle, which so this is kind of on like a canvasy type material. So obviously this took a lot of work just to make those watercolors stand out, but that one's really pretty as well. In addition to doing your unit circle, you are also going to provide let me see where it's listed right here. You're going to provide a unit circle pattern or trick either at the bottom of the poster board, or you could put it on the back if you don't want to make your design look cluttered. You're going to just describe a trick like the hand trick or the chart memorization trick, something like that. You're going to put that at the bottom of your poster board or on the back. If you have any questions about this assignment, please email me.